According to latest research and studies done by various organizations, wrong hiring can cost you thousands of dollars across middle level or managerial level. Hiring process is one of the key aspects while building your organization. Wrong hire can cost you a lot. It can hamper your culture, it can hamper your progress or project delivery as well. So today I am going to share you 6 ways which can help you to assess candidates before hiring. So stay tuned. Aptitude test is one of the traditional method of evaluation of the candidates. So you can define aptitude test for the entry level candidates, or you can also define it for the managerial level candidates. Aptitude tests are very useful to evaluate problem solving ability or overall capability of innovation or overall analytical ability associated with information extraction. So if you are providing certain puzzle to the candidate or certain information, certain graphs associated with particular case study, then using the performances associated with that candidate, you can easily identify overall analytical ability or problem solving ability of the candidates. Another way using which you can easily assess candidates is personality test. So personality tests are basic frameworks associated with psychometric test where you can easily evaluate candidates' ability about thinking or ability associated with working within the team environment. So what kind of leadership quality candidate possesses, what kind of ability, thinking ability or overall emotional quotient that particular candidate has. If you are hiring candidates for the leadership position, managerial position or tech lead position, then it is very essential to understand leadership capabilities, whether that candidate has capability to motivate their team members or not. Custom online tests can be defined which will help you to evaluate candidates' ability to work within the team environment, whether candidate is extrovert or introvert, whether candidate has capability to motivate their team members or not. So all those things can be easily evaluated using custom built leadership test that can help you to define criteria associated with hiring. Another way using which you can evaluate those candidates is domain specific test. So imagine you are trying to recruit candidates for say call center, or you are trying to recruit for accounting department or HR department or software technology department. Then based on those specific criteria, you can define your own domain specific test in order to evaluate those candidates. So if you consider hiring candidates for say technical support position, then you need to evaluate candidates' ability to communicate. You need to evaluate written communication as well as oral communication of the candidate, and you can define your own custom tests that can be very useful while analyzing the candidate's ability associated with specific domain. Imagine if you are recruiting candidates for various programming languages like C, C++, Java, .NET or any other respective programming languages, then you should be able to define online tests that will help you to understand capability of the candidate to write particular program which is error free or which can be easily compiled. So using custom online tests, you can reduce down your interview cycle. So if you are able to assess candidates using programming tests, you can easily identify whether candidate has capability to write custom built programs which are error free and which can run without any compilation error. You can also evaluate candidates' ability of entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship test can be easily defined which will help you to evaluate candidates' ability to take risks, candidates' ability of pursuing particular thing, or candidates' ability to do innovation or run particular business. Consider you are appointing particular franchisee across multiple cities or organizations, and you want to test ability of the particular candidate, whether that candidate is capable to handle particular franchisee or not. So in that case, you can easily define entrepreneurship ability test that can help you to understand financial capability or ability of the candidate to take risks, ability of the candidate to motivate the team members. There is one of the multinational organizations which has successfully adopted entrepreneurship ability test while appointing franchisee network across multiple locations. So to conclude, online assessment can help you to simplify your hiring processes. Online assessment can also help you to identify or filter out suitable candidate out of those thousands of 100 candidates who are applying for your organization. So online tests can also help you to standardize your hiring processes. It can help you to reduce bias associated with hiring process, and it will also help you to improve accuracy associated with hiring process, and you can cut down cost associated with your wrong hiring, and that will also help you to build your organization successfully. Thank you for watching this video. So if you would like to have more such videos, make sure you subscribe to our social media channel, so that whenever we are going to release more such educational videos, you will get notified.